Hello, this is Steve with TreeBirdFeeders.com, and I'm here today to talk to you about our Handshake deal. We have all of our cedar feeders that are made out of cedar wood, the wild bird feeders, we have our hummingbird feeders, our hanging feeder, our pole-mounted feeders. All of these feeders are handcrafted, one by one, right here in the United States. And we don't have a big long piece of paper with a bunch of fine print on our warranty, but we do have what we call our Handshake deal. And that's where when you purchase a feeder from us, you become a partner of ours. We want you to have many years of enjoying feeding wild birds. And if you have any issues with any of your feeders, we'll work that out just like friends do. I figure most people that are feeding birds are pretty good people, and we look forward to doing business with you. And no fine print, all of our stuff is guaranteed the Handshake deal. My phone number is on the website, my email. You can call, email if you ever have questions or any issues with your feeder anytime. So take a look around our website, look at the different feeders we have to offer, and look at a new way of feeding wild birds. This is Steve at TreeBirdFeeders.com, and thanks for watching.